Sorry, good evening, beta. First, from zero level revision for grade 12 starting. I will explain everything. Joshika, Joshika, I'm going to add you in the new group. Just remind me after class. Okay, I'm starting the class. Relation, this is the first revision sessions where, Sanjana, good evening. So where I'm going to start from the zero level. Again, I'm going to teach relations. So first, for the beginners, those who are joining relations, you must understand some very important, crucial part of relations. Just give me 1 minute. So as we all know that relation is exactly what? Relation is a subset of A cross B. The two set elements are exactly generating relations. So a small promo introduction of relation I'm going to give so that you will be able to understand what is the roadmap and where and all you are going to go. So we know that A is a Cartesian product, B is also a Cartesian, sorry, A is a set, non-empty set, B is also a non-empty set. So whenever any relation is coming, relation is a subset of A cross B. And whatever element of A cross B will be there, it will be always written in ordered way. Okay? So first element will represent from A and the second element will be represent from B. So relation will be containing all these ordered pairs which is coming from A cross B. So this is exactly presentation of a relation. So whenever we present a relation, we are writing the answers like this. Okay, so this is a way of presentation of relation. So this is a way of presentation of relations. So when you will be representing a relation, the relation will be presented like this. So now we need to understand that whenever you are writing a relation, R is a subset of A cross B, then relations will be coming. Shivaranjani, zero level. Today I checked your paper, it was very weak and I want you to prepare very nicely. Now look at it. So R is a subset of A cross B. First element, second element, it will be presented like this. So this is a way of presentation of relation. Already you know that there are different type of relation. Identity relation is there, reflexive relation is there, symmetric relation is there, anti-symmetric relation is there, transitive relations are there. So different type of relations are there one by one. Now we are going to identify by solving the questions how many relations possible and all. At the time of solving questions itself I'm going to explain. So just I told that relation is a subset of A cross B. So already you have studied and in between whatever questions are coming I will be explaining those questions from that format only. Okay, so now just go for it. Your first question to be solved. Get ready students and you need to answer the question. If the number of elements of two finite set A and B are n and m, the number of relations formed from A to B, how many total relations possible when A is having m number of elements and B is having n number of elements, and your time starts now. Come on, start answering the question. Start answering the question, please. Have everybody understood? Come on, go for it. What is the correct answer? This is not the time when you cannot answer. You people are there in the group. Whatever wrong, right, keep answering. Then only your MCQs will improve. Otherwise, it will not improve like this. I just asked a simple question. Come on, answer. You need not to worry. These questions will go one single group I am going to make. In this, all PDFs will be going. Just now attempt the question. Come on, Zivranjini. What is the answer here? What is the number of relations possible? What is the number of relations possible? 2 to the power. This question came in CBSE 2023. This question came in CBSE 2023. What is the correct answer? The correct answer here is, if people will not answer this, I will 100% stop the live class. So whatever right wrong is there, you need to attend to the question. 2 to the power m plus n is not the correct answer. The correct answer is 2 to the power mn. The total number of relations possible is 2 to the power mn. So the correct answer is 2 to the power mn. 2 to the power mn is the correct answer. So here, yes, very good, Sanjana. Keep answering questions. Yes, you wrote write only options. Write only options. Today also I saw your MCQ level is very weak. So only I started with MCQs. First enhance your MCQ. Right, wrong, attempt. First you learn. In these sessions now, right, wrong, attempt. Who cares, yeah? This what feedback you are giving now. This is not recorded. In our channel, it will not be shown. Okay, and I'm not taking your name. So please. So first answer is 2 to the power mn, and your time starts now. Go for question number 2. I'm telling you, go for question number 2. What is the correct answer? Go for question number 2, children. What is the question? The relation are defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4 as shown is this one. Is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive, reflexive and transitive but not symmetric, symmetric and transitive but not reflexive, and equivalence relation. And your time starts now. Try करो, देखो इसको कैसे solve करना है. Come on, go for it. You can do it. Check. What is the correct answer, beta? Very good. Sadhna has given the answer B. After that, Sanjana has given the answer B. Super. So now let's go for it. Is the correct answer is B or not? Let's understand this part. Now, beta, understand. Here, this is the relation. Now you check 1 comma 2 is given and 2 comma 1 is not given. First part itself 1 comma 2 is given, but 2 comma 1 is not given. Very good, Joshika. So it is not symmetric. So symmetric is not there, but not symmetric. So 100% this part is there. 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2. After that, 1, 2 is there. 1, 2 is present. 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 4. So definitely symmetry is not there. In any other option, it is not there. Equivalence cancel when symmetry is not there. But not reflexive. It is 100% reflexive because 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 is there. So reflexive, this part is wrong. But this part is not symmetric, is correct part. So this option B is the correct answer. Superly attempted, Joshika, correct. Now go for the next question, and your time starts now. Come on, go for this question, children. Try this question out. Very good. Come on, go for question number 3, children. B should be greater than 0. B should be greater than 6. You remember this. B should be greater than 6, and then you attempt this question and your time starts now. These are the element which is a part of relation. So need to answer it very cleverly. First answer I am receiving from Sanjana, Shivaranjani, then Sanjana. Okay. Now let's check it up. First thing is B should be greater than 6. How to catch it? First understand. B is greater than 6. So B should be, here B is greater than 6. Strictly greater than 6. So this is greater than 6, this is greater than 6, this is greater than 6. This gone. Okay. So now any values, very good John. So any value coming here. So A is equal to B minus 2. So now any value, A value you put now. 8 if you are putting means 8 plus 2. B is coming as 10. So 10 option is not at all there. So this can be answered, but this cannot be answered because there it is written as 7. Wrong. A is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So no need to think about. C is the answer only. Understood? C is the answer because the moment you are putting 8, A as 6, B is coming as 8. That's it, close it. Now I'll go for the next question, please. Now, writing pattern also I am going to teach today some of the very important questions of part 1. We are going to discuss some other questions also I am going to give, and your time starts now. Go for question number 4, children. Question number 4. Question number 4. Come on, go for it. Question number 4. Full question is not visible. Now check. I think now it is visible, beta. Now I think it is visible. Yes. Now check. Is it visible? Yeah, okay. Go for it. A comma B, A plus 1 is given. Come on, come on, come on, go for it. In the set of this, B is equal to A plus 1. I think this part is cut. Yeah, now you check. B is equal to A plus 1. Correct. Now it is cut. B is equal to A plus 1. And your time starts now. Start solving the question. B is equal to A plus 1. Not reflexive and symmetric but transitive. Not reflexive though, I think it is true. Come on, go for it. You itself try this question. Option is D. Okay, anyone else? Okay, Sanjana is telling option is C. Come on, see, listen. First thing, strategy. Our strategy should be, check this one out. B is equal to A plus 1. And somebody will be asking you, B is equal to A plus 1. How we are going to handle? B is equal to A plus 1. Now check this one out. B is equal to A plus 1. So now, whenever A value will be 1, B will come 2. A value will be 2, B will come 3. So definitely there will be no phase where it will be reflexive. So it is not reflexive, not reflexive, not reflexive. But reflexive part is wrong. Gone. Now, if any values of B will be there, reverse will never be possible because A is always greater than B by 1. So its opposite is not possible. So it will not be symmetric also. So here it is symmetric, not possible. But symmetric, not possible. So not symmetric, that's it. So this part. I hope you might have understood. So like this, you need to catch the word and you need to understand the part and then you need to solve the question. I hope very simple technique I have told you how you are going to catch because B is equal to A plus 1 is there. So whenever you will try to go reverse of it, symmetric will not be possible. Symmetric will never be possible. It will always make mistake. So 100% whenever this part will be there, problem will be there. So you need to leave that section. Please kindly check you are live or not and go for question number 5. Come on, go for it. बेटा ये रिलेशन चैप्टर का है रिलेशन चैप्टर का है स्टार्टिंग से 0 लेवल से रिलेशंस और जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं एग्जाम में उन सबको रिवाइज कर रहे हैं Come on everyone, start solving this question. This question came CBSE 2020 and 2022. Think this question is how much important for you. Like this, for proving it is. For proving, they will give the question. So please kindly do this question very properly. Please kindly do this question very properly. I request you people. This question can be given for solving. Actually, this is given in MCQ, but this question can be for MCQ also and for solving also. This much is important. Modulus is very, very important. I will tell modulus part you do very nicely. Life will be easy. Means exams will be very, very easy with them. Can I solve? Try. Shivaranjani is telling it's an equivalence relation. Okay. Very cleverly attempted this question, Shiva. One mistake means a story over, beta. So try very nicely. I am very afraid because I have already discussed this part questions. X minus x. So whenever it will be reflexive, beta. Reflexive means what? Same element will be repeated two times now. So x minus x means 0. So first for reflexive, how we will check? Now look at it. A simple technique of checking this one out. Here for MCQs, now we need not to solve. Means we will prove it. But for writing questions means tomorrow I will be teaching you the writing pattern of the questions, how to write the examination questions. But today you check this one with x minus x. For reflexive, r it will be x minus x and it will always become 0. And 0 is always less than 1. 0 is always less than or equal to 1. Strictly 0 will be what? Lesser than 1. Understood? So for this we need not to worry. 0 will always be less than 1. So reflexive, so yes it is reflexive. This is reflexive written here. This is reflexive written here. But not reflexive is this option gone out of your track. Equivalence is still not in your target. So three options are still working for you. Now we need to check is it symmetric or not. Okay. So now in the case of symmetry, if 2 minus 3 modulus is there, it is less equals 1. So 3 minus 2 is also less equals 1 because equal sign is there. Check very nicely. So only I get this courage to write like this. So 2 minus 1. So we can take because see, first half should be in relation, then only opposite should be checked. So like if I will be writing 3 minus 5. Then beta it is coming as minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 will give you 2. 2 will never be less than. So first half, because in symmetry, what part is given? You remember this part, otherwise mistake will come. Now look here. A, B should belongs to A comma B should be belonging to R. Then only B comma A should belongs to R. This is symmetric condition. So first it has to be symmetric. Remember, the first half should follow the rule, then second half is following or not, you need to check that one. That is the case of symmetry. So if first part you are subtracting like this, 0 minus 5, 0 minus 1, that means minus 1. Modulus of 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 is less equals 1. So definitely, so that means it will be symmetric. It will go symmetric. Modulus is given now. So only you have to be very specific, Shivaranjani. You need to check every corner out. See, first two, it's symmetric. Absolute. The first two, first situation holding, then it's reverse holding or not, you need to check that only. So first situation, those examples we are taking, it is holding. When we are reverting it, it should also hold. And it is holding. So it is symmetric. So definitely it is symmetric. Here it is only not symmetric. So this is out of our target. Now only two are left. Either it can be equivalent or it can be option A. So we have cancelled two options, B and C beta. Last option is transitivity to be checked. So when transitivity will be checked like 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 modulus is less equals 1. Check this nicely. Now 2 minus 3 is also coming minus 1. It is also less equals 1. Now 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And after modulus it will become 2. 2 cannot be. So it is not transitive. So answer is A. One shot, answer K. I hope you might have understood. In exams, our best possible way is to save our time. And this is exactly not transitive. So it is equivalence relation. So you need to be very, very calculative when you will be solving the relation chapter. Till now, I only taught you. Now I am teaching you how to attempt the questions. Understood? So beta, this is the clear-cut indications how you are going to attempt. A minus B, what is the situation? What does transitivity says? So at the time of teaching transitivity, I was very clear about the concept like this should belongs to R. It should satisfy. This also should satisfy. So if these two conditions are satisfying the relation, then third condition A comma C should also satisfy. That means this and this will not this satisfying, this not satisfying means we can't take it as a relation. Understood? So this two should be there, then only the third one is coming. These two should be there, then only the third one is coming is transitivity. Understood? It's a case of transitivity. So these two are actually there, but this one is not satisfying. You see, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 are actually satisfying the condition, but the third one is failing the situation. So is it a transitive one? No, it's not an equivalence relation. It is reflexive symmetric, but it is not at all transitive. I hope you might have understood this part. So now come on, go for the next one. And your time starts now. Come on, children, this question is yours. Board exam, I will not write. The understand, the fight is yours. I can always help you, I will stand with you. But fighting is your work. Answering the question is your work, beta. And your time starts now. Come on, go for it. I will only say you don't give up. So this type of questions, I don't think you people should take time. This is exactly a question where you need not do anything. Only answer should be given. Think. The statement itself says the entire story here. Trivial, either empty or universal. Both possible. The answer is C. Absolute correct, Pushpika. That's the hit. Now please pay attention, children. You need to understand that trivial is don't waste your time in that. But there is a simple thing. I was waiting. Some of you, I'm just informing all the students to come and join the session. Now look at that. This is a very simple one. See, or means union. Or means union. See, A and B are either even or odd. Means A and B are the entire number itself. Because or means either you can take odd number also or you can take even number also. Means you can take both the number in that situation. Understood? So this is a sure short, clear cut indication of equivalence relation. And bang on, Kushmika, super hit beta. The correct answer is C here. So why beta? Because either odd or even means it will be taken, both the numbers can be considered there. So 100% this type of situations where you can take odd or even means 1 1 will definitely come, 2 2 will definitely come, 1 3 will definitely come, 3 1 will also come. So definitely all the number sets will be coming at that scenario. So it will definitely be going as what beta? Equivalence relation. So option C is going to be the correct answer. Super. So now let's go for the next question, please. And your time starts now. Come on. This question I have discussed many times in group, many times at the time of revision of relation chapter. Children, don't waste time in this. Just do it as fast as possible. Come on, you can do it. Question number 7, and your time starts now. I don't think you should be wasting time this much. You know that two lines will be perpendicular means they will never be. I will not say. You say. When two lines are perpendicular means very good, Sanjana. Naveen, one time check it out. One more time check, Naveen. See, when you will be good evening again, Avani. Now look here. So you need to be very, very cautious when you are writing this question. Now beta, look here. When two numbers are there, you need to check this part out. A line cannot be, a line which is perpendicular cannot be reflexive now. Reflexive is not possible. How can I be perpendicular to myself? Not at all possible. I cannot be perpendicular to myself. So not reflexive. Absolutely. I can be symmetric. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, then L2 is perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to L2, then L2 is perpendicular to L1. But if L1 is perpendicular to L2 and L2 is perpendicular to L3, then L1 will be parallel to L2. So this is not transitive also. So it should not be reflexive and transitive, but it should be symmetric. So option B is the correct answer. Absolute, bang on. Thank you so much, Agni. So correct answer is exactly what? Correct answer is B. Correct answer is B, and that's the correct pattern of solving. Come on, go for it. And your time starts now. This is CBSE 2022 question. So when we will be solving all past year questions, I will be showing you. So now come on, go for it, please. And previous question what you have solved was CBSE 2019. Here it is not written. Previous question 2019. This question is previous question is 2019. This is which question? Question number 7. I think this question came 2022, 2023. Please kindly note down this question already came in exam 2022 and 2023. So please keep a record of those questions which has already came in examinations 2022, 2023. Next time I will say ma'am to put time also here. See here, this question came 2022 also. So this question came 2022 and your time starts now. Let's solve for it. Question number 8 children, 28 minutes and we are still stick to question number 8. This is not good. Joshika option is D. Is it equivalence relation? Super. This is correct. This is absolutely correct. Yes, Mehan. Absolutely. Now look at it. When two lines we are going to talk about, everyone please pay attention. So when two lines we are going to talk about, it, I can be parallel to myself. That's the super thing. So definitely it is reflexive. Symmetry, yes, this is parallel to this, but this will be this three parallel is 100%. It is an equivalence relation. So definitely parallels will be equivalence. And your next question is this one. This question came in CBSE 2021. Think you are writing 2021 board examination and you got this question. Now solve it. So first though we are targeting all the old questions coming in. Past 5 to 7 years, all question sets, we have collected the question, we are giving to you. So just check how you are going to attempt these questions. And your time starts now. Come on, go for it. Nice cos. What is the correct answer here? Okay, very good. 1 2 2 2 1 1. So it is reflexive, 100% correct. Symmetry 1 2 2 1 is missing. Absolute, very good. All of you are absolutely correct. Because here 2 1 is missing, beta. So symmetry is not there. 1 2 2 2 1 2 is there. 1 3 3 3 1 3 is there. 1 3 3 2 is there. 1 3 3 2, so 3 2 is there. 100% is reflexive and transitive, but it is not symmetric. Bang on. So 2021, your answer is correct, and you might have got the full mark there. Now go for this question, beta. Come on, go for it. X plus 2y is equal to, it is divided set where domain R. Which one is the domain of R? I'm just waiting. Seriously, come on, check. Very simple question, yaar. What can be the domain of R? Look, again, I'm teaching you the trick of it. So, how we are going to solve this question? The trick I'm teaching you. First, you see the trick. How to go for the question. Come on, children. So, now look here. X plus 2y is equal to 8 given. So, 2y is equal to 8 minus x. So, first options are given. Now, pick from the options itself. First, you took 2. So, 2y is equal to 8 minus 2. So 2y is equal to 6. So y is coming as 3. Okay? Possible. Y is coming natural number. Not at all a problem. Now 4. 2y is equal to 8 minus 4. So 2y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 2. Possible. Now here 2y is equal to 8 minus 6. So 2y is equal to 2. So y is coming as 1. Possible. But after that, no possible. So what is the correct answer is C. I hope everybody understood the correct answer is coming here as C. So this is the way to check the answer. Now go for the next one, please. R is the result given R is equal to A minus O B should is greater than 6. Definitely this question we have solved. Now say the answer without solving. Actually, this question came in which year? The previous question came in CBSE 2019, and the question which you are solving now already came in board exam. Yes, 2019. So just now we solved 2019 question. Again, we are resolving it. So the answer is coming as 6, 8. So these questions already asked in board exam. So collection time is problem sometimes. And the question number 12 answer, please. Come on, answer this question. The set of all straight line in a plane, the relation of perpendicularity is, just now we have discussed here. Come on, go for it. Just now we have had a discussion about it. We had a complete discussion about it. So what is the answer here, Vijay? B. Symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Absolutely. Because when perpendicularly two lines will be supposed to be perpendicular at that particular moment, what will be the situation is I cannot be reflexive to myself and I cannot be transitive. So the case will be exactly B. So words can be here and there, they will write, but answers will be like that only. Now, beta, you please go for it. In a relation, R on the set is given as only 1, 2. Then R is very cleverly attempted this question, children. A relation is given because only one element is given, 1 comma 2. Then what is R here? The relation given only here is 1 comma 2. Then what is R here? What is Network is there or not? Mehan option is none of this. No Mehan. There is still possibility, beta. No, no, no. This much small section analyzation is not going to work. Now Shivaranjani, सही पकड़े हैं. Shiva, absolutely correct. This is what I was wanting. The correct answer is it is transitive, but it is not that transitive. It is the transitive which is isolated. Means it is not going to be in any other part. So this is a type of transitivity. When there is no connectivity, single element will be existing. Means it will go for transitive case. So it is transitivity. It is a case of transitivity. It's a case of transitivity. Absolutely correct. नहीं है हाँ. Now this को solve कर दीजिए. Question number 14. Come on, go for it. Come on, think nicely and say. Come on, children, go for it. You can do it. Think nicely. This question is not tough. This question is not tough. Next one, function India, I need to start. Only reflexive. How? Sanjana, think one more time. Symmetry, why not possible? A minus B means B minus A. Our situation is irrational. We have to check it is rational or irrational. Aha, Mehan has done this work. So now think very nicely. Is it an equivalence relation or not? It's an equivalence relation or not. We need to check that one out. Yes, it's an equivalence relation. Now, see, we'll check. We don't know. We are idiots. We started from zero level. In relation chapter, we started with zero level. We don't know anything. But we know one thing. A minus A will be there plus root 3. For equivalence reflexive relation means it will be number relative to itself. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, like that. So here when you subtract this, it is coming as root 3, and root 3 is a set of irrational number. Okay. Now symmetric format, we'll check this one out. Check now. Now A comma B belongs to R. Means A minus B plus root 3 is there. Now we will take minus outside. B minus A plus root 3. Isn't it irrational or it became rational? So once we have shifted the location, isn't it irrationality went or irrationality is still there? Our situation is all real numbers. A relation R is defined on set of R of all real numbers as follows. And this is irrational. Understood or not? So now you tell where R is the set of all, S is the set of all relations. See, R relation is symmetric, but here, okay. A relation R defined on set R of all real numbers as follows. A comma B belongs to R in this relation, but this one belongs to S, where S is the set of all irrational numbers. Then R is reflexive only. Root 3 is not getting cancelled. Symmetric only. Check. Transitive only or equivalence. In that case, how it will be? Because relation has to be real, and real does not take root. So something has to be eliminated. Now the situation story changed. So you people have to be very cleverly aligning it. Transitive only. Okay, still you are thinking about transitivity. But can you tell me the situation where it can't be reflexive? In the case of reflexive, it will be totally, purely irrational. So it will not be reflexive. Symmetric case and transitive case. Mhm. Yes. Hi Rohit. Hey, is it question is confusing? So only I'm confusing you more. Seriously. Yes, beta. See, the question pattern is hi Rohit. So the question pattern is totally. This is my son Rohit. So I think it is Rohite written now. I think it is Rohit only that Rohit Siddharth brother. Ma'am ji Rohit telling means I need to check. So now look at. So first is a comma b belongs to set of real number. Beta here now the main catch is not that one. The main catch is they will definitely create problem for you if the little bit you will move here and there. And here and there you already moved. Can you explain again? Yes. They're telling me, see, you need to understand that all real numbers are there. So एक मिनट रुक जा मेहर कंफ्यूजन तो क्लियर करने दे सी बेटा they are telling a comma b. Yes, now understood Shivaranjani what is exactly the question. I was about to explain one more time, but thank you, you did my work. Now understand one thing, beta. A minus a means only root 3 is there. Root 3 is real, na? No problem. Because yes, that's what I think. Mehan example was enough. I was about to say that only, but suddenly I saw Rohit reply, so I went there. So definitely, beta, a minus b. If you will return it also, it will be coming in the real format. 1 comma 2 you will write, 2 comma 3 you will write, 3 comma 4 you will write, any number you will be writing, any format change also you will be doing. Like AB belongs to R, that means A minus B plus root 3. Now B comma C belongs to R, that is B minus C plus root 3. Understood? If you will add or subtract, this will cancel. So A minus 3 plus 2 root 3 is again real number only. So 100% the story will go like this. So now you understood now Shivaranjani. So this is exactly going to be an equivalence relation. Understood. Because we will keep analyzing one question and then we will solve because final exams are very near. Our 1 year total format we need to check. Now come on, we'll start this work. Now consider the relation 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3. Hey bhai, just now only we solved this type question. One thing is missing here. 1 2 is there, 1 is not there, so it is not symmetric. So not symmetric is there, 1 1 2 2 3 3 is there, reflexive, there is a transitive or not. Reflexive but not symmetric. Reflexive but not transitive. Neither symmetric nor transitive. Check where the transitivity is failing. 1 2 2 3 1 3 is there. 2 3 3 3 2 3 is there. 3 anywhere it is going to be 1 2 2 3. 2 2 2 3 2 3 is there. What is the correct answer? I'm fine, thank you, Vijay. Neither symmetric nor transitivity. Madam, where the transitivity is failing, can you tell me? Reflexive but not symmetric. You tell me one case where transitivity is failing. Yes, 8. So 1 3 3 3. Any one situation is there. Yes, the transitivity is not failing here. You check nicely. 1 1 Pushmika 8. See 1 1 2 2 is there. Reflexive but not transitive. Transitive is asymmetric is not there. So this C symmetry is not there. So where symmetry written is this is wrong. Here reflexive but not symmetric is correct. Reflexive but not transitive. It is transitive also. Neither symmetric nor transitive is transitive. So option will become A. Clear cut answer is coming. How is the session going on? Now you are getting some grip first two we will build up confidence in relation. Okay. Yes, Shiva, it's correct only. Come on, go for it. Don't say sorry. This is the time when we have to build up our confidence to write any answers. So only when I am standing with all of you. So first you will have this confidence of attempting the question correct now. Nobody can stop you. For that only I am standing with all of you. Learning. Next question with confidence answer the question. Come on, go for it. A relation R is given 1 1 2 3 3 2 4 3. Mehan B is telling symmetric. Transitive equivalence 100% it is not equivalence because 1 1 is there, 2 2 3 3 4 4 missing, so it is not going to be reflexive. Super. Hey, equivalence, how Kushmika? Equivalence will not be there na beta, not possible, because equivalence means it should be reflexive, it is not reflexive. So reflexive itself is Ilya, so it is not going to be reflexive. Symmetry check one time. 1 1 is 2 3 is there, 3 2 is there, 4 3 is there, 3 4 is there. 1 1 is so 100% reflexive. And here it is not transitive also. How it is not transitive? You check 2 3 3 2, but 2 2 is not there. 2 3 3 2 2 2 is not there. 4 3 3 4 4 4 is not there. So 100% it is not going to be transitive also. So reflexive out, so transitive out, equivalence out. So 100% it is symmetric only. Very good. So like this you need to attempt the questions. So question answer. Now go for this question please. Come on, answer the question, please. The minimum ordered pair which should be added in the relation to make it reflexive and symmetric. Boss, like this type of questions are asked in examination. This question is already added in examination format. We have taken questions from past 20 years. I told you now, past 20, 25 years, 10 years questions we will be picking and we will be giving you. This is that slot we are playing for. Come on, go for it, please. Answer beta 1133. So relation is 1 2 3. Minimum number we must add here. 1 1 1 2 3 is there. So 1 1 2 2 3 3. First option 1 1 is there, 3 3 is there, 2 2 is missing. So we'll add 2 2. 3 1 is there, so 1 3 we will add. 2 3 is there, so 3 2 we will add. So we have to add 3 elements in A. Come on, we will do like this. Check one. Check how to do. Those people have not attended the session. I don't know what like type of hell they are exactly. So 2 2 is missing here. Now here 1 3 is missing and here 3 2 is missing. So 3 elements are missing. Here 2 2 is missing and 2 1 is missing. Only 2 elements are missing here. Okay, 1 1 3 3 here 2 2 is missing, 3 2 is missing, and 1 3 is missing. 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 1 is there, so 1 3 2 3 is there plus 3 2. Now here 1 1 2 2 here 2 2 is missing, 1 3 is missing, 2 1 is missing. Right? So what is the correct answer now? Say. Minimum number should be added where? Then minimum ordered pair which should be added in a relation to make it reflexive. Still A. How? Minimum reflexive. See, you need to make it reflexive and symmetric both. You need to make it reflexive and symmetric both. And here 1 1 3 3 is there. Mehan 2 2 I added, so it will become reflexive. Correct? After that 3 1 is there, so 1 3 I have to add, 2 3 is there, so 3 2 I have to add. So 3 element I have to add in the first slot. In second slot 1 1 3 3 is there, so 2 2 I added. Now 1 2 is there, so opposite to 1 2 only 2 1 I have to add. So 2 element I added in the second slot. Third slot again for symmetry 2 I have to add, for reflexivity 1. So 3 element I am adding. Fourth one also 3 element I am adding to make it symmetric and reflexive. So which one is the correct answer now? So what is the correct answer here? 2 2 1 3 3 2. The correct answer is A. Absolutely correct. Yes, absolutely correct, boss. Because this is given here only now. This and this is this. So this one needing this one, and this is coming correct. This is what I was waiting for. Correct only, Mehan. So that means 1 1 3 3 3 1 2 3 is there. In that 132232 is there. So 132232 is matching our relation. This is matching our relation. That's it. So A is the correct answer. Super good. We'll go for the next question, please, and your time starts now. Yeah, already. Let us define a relation R A is greater than B. That is an equivalence relation, reflexive, symmetric, transitive but not symmetric, symmetric, transitive but not reflexive, neither transitive nor reflexive but symmetric. Oh, what type correct answer will be there? A is strictly greater than B. What should be the correct answer? I cannot be greater than myself, so I am not at all reflexive. Let us define a relation R. A is greater than strictly, then R is. Think very nicely. I think option one thing has to be written. I cannot be if greater equals might have been there. Now listen. Here one thing is there. If greater equals might have been given, like this greater equals, then it will be reflexive. But strictly greater, a number can never be strictly greater than itself. So it is not reflexive. 2 is greater than 1, that is 2 comma 1, then 1 cannot be greater than 2, not possible. So it not be symmetric also. Check for transitivity. Yes, neither transitive nor reflexive and symmetric. Yes. So three of them is not going to satisfy here. Symmetry cannot be possible also. So definitely it is not going to be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We crossed how many questions, boss? 18 questions. Now we are going for 19th question. The relation out of the set is given AABB, ABBA. AABB is there. CC is missing. So it is not reflexive. AABB, ABBA. It is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. ABBB, ABBB. Answer is A. Absolutely. It is going to be, listen very carefully, it is going to be symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. Because CC is missing there. So since CC is missing there, so it is not going to be absolutely correct answer. Yes. Super. We'll go for 20th question and your time starts now. How is the session? Are you building up any confidence? Are you getting the confidence you'll be able to solve the questions? A relation R in the set of real number R given by R is equal to A is greater than chi. Just now only we solved it. Transitivity, but it is what type of transitivity it is possible? I think it is going to be transitive. 1 is 2 is greater than. Ma'am, B, yes, it is not going to be transitive. Yes. Previous question. B is there. AB is there. What is missing here? Check. AB, BA, AA is there. BA, AB, BB is there. Check. BA is there. Neha. Yes, so only I told you. Here, strict inequality, transitivity you need to check. Check this one out. 3 is greater than 2. So 3 comma 2. 4 is 3 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1. So 3 is greater than 1. We can write like this? Yes. So here it is exactly according to the situation, we can say that it is going to be transitive. So we have solved total of 20 questions in 55 minutes. Speed was less, but it was okay. Fine. So we will be going for a next session tomorrow again, but tomorrow first I will teach uh, probability. Night only I am keeping the session for you all. Okay. Bye everyone.